Hi all, welcome to our new job update video. This time we are not going to discuss about any particular government job, any singular job. Here we will be discussing multiple private jobs. Before jumping into the video, I want to discuss something more important. I know many of you are just looking for government jobs and like you are just learning or like preparing for government jobs for a year. That's like quite good. And many of you are looking for private jobs too. So obviously government jobs are very good and you will be getting good amount of payment and like work stability like and everything. But like more important thing is like for a vacancy of 200 and 300 a lakhs of people will be applying. For that you have to attend tier 1, tier 2 and even like if for some exam tier 3 then interview. After that like you will be shortlisted and then according to the vacancy you will be called for the interview or like called for the job. So getting a private job is very easy as compared to getting a government job. Obviously government jobs have stability and like work satisfaction or something, and I think like private jobs are also having the same thing. Nowadays like private jobs has changed a lot. They are work stability. Even there are many companies like which actually hold their employees in this crisis. In this crisis also like they used to call their employees regularly, they used to check up their employee regularly, they actually provided bonus for them so that their mental health is just maintained, they say they stay safe. And in older days there are companies like where they used to like fire employees very oftenly, but nowadays the story is quite different because if you're applying for a regular post you will be something like a permanent employee there, so they are not going to fire you unnecessarily or like immediately. And even if they are removing you for some reasons that may be based on your performance or something, they will be just like informing you in advance. That's quite good because like all private companies or like corporates or MNCs are just getting to try get that tag like best place to work tag. And even you will be getting like PF, health insurance, life insurance, other bonuses, perks, and then like visits and like lunch and everything, or like many other benefits are there in private job also. So if you're looking for a private job or if you're looking for any job, then this video is for you. And if you want like we should be discussing more in depth about private job and government job and which is best, please let us know in the comment section. So we can just quickly jump into the job details we have for this month. Basically this video will be like updated every week, so this is the video for this week, and next week we will be coming with more jobs in private sectors. So this is to help everyone who is currently looking for job, and like we want like everyone should be having some jobs because like private companies are also paying quite very high like 3 lakh per annum too. Even there are private companies, there are not like there are multiple or like many private companies which are paying very high salary, which will be a dream salary for many of you. So we can just quickly jump into the video, and please let me know that whether we should be discussing more about the topic. Okay, so first vacancy is from Milton. So I think you know about the Milton flask or like Milton, all these utensils like things they have for Milton. So Milton is like very big company and it's a private company and like very stable company as all like they have very good growth for the past years. So basically all the companies which we just took or like listed here, they are just asking for a regular job. So my advice is like always look like whether you're applying for a regular job or a contract basis. If you are a contract basis, there are many chances that you maybe get fired, or like there are some companies which like renew their contract, but in the time of crisis or like in the lows, the first employees which are going to be fired will be contract basis. So we have only picked the job that's from a regular job or like a full-time job, which will be like a similar stability to that of a government jobs. So as you know like Milton is like very big company and they have multiple branches, they have very good sales rate and everything. So the company name is Milton, and the position they have, actually they have just come with a very huge list of positions. That's why like we are not listed here, because like like when you just go to the site you can see like there are multiple positions which they have just called. Regarding the education qualification, in all education qualification, if you are from an IT diploma, degree, or like higher education, you can definitely apply for this post. If you are from a BCom, BSc, or like BTech, MTech, or anything, you can definitely apply for any or other post from Milton. Even if you are fresher or experienced, you are always welcome. And they have not disclosed the salary. There is two things. First thing is like, as since like Milton is like a very reputed company, they will be providing quite very good salary, and they have not disclosed. And for all the experienced guys, you can definitely do a like a bargaining for your salary, or like what we can say, we can just ask our payment there. And the expected job location is Andhra Pradesh, and it's a full-time job. So next is Dell. I think I have, like, you all know what is Dell. I don't have to explain you what is Dell. And Dell is actually a very big MNC, and they used to provide very high salary, very high like perks, and like job stability is also very good there. And this time actually they have called for actually this technical support position. And technical support in the sense like you will be supporting the clients, or you will be supporting the queries. And salary is best in the industry. Obviously Dell provides the best salary in the industry, like one of the best salaries in the industry. And employee status is regular, and work location is Bangalore. And next is Muthoot Finance. So Muthoot Finance, actually like Muthoot Finance has been like very huge list. So this is not the complete list, so we have included some of the main, but this is not the completely. So if you are looking for a bank job, or if you are preparing for any financial job, or like you are interested in Muthoot Finance, then obviously you can apply. The reason for you to apply is like the salary is actually very high. It's like 3 lakh to 4 lakh per annum. I think like that's quite good amount of salary in this time. Even in this, considering the situation, the market trend now, it's quite a good. I'm not saying the best, but it's quite a good salary. And if you're a graduate, cross graduate, if you're a BTech, MBA, or like finance or anything like, oh, I think like all BSc, BCom students can also apply. So these are the conditions to apply. And the employee status is regular, and the job location will be anywhere in India. And it's like a financial, yeah. So next is Asian Paints. I think Asian Paints is like it's also very big industry, and they have also like very good growth scale for past many years, and they will be growing because paints like they obviously they will be growing. And the posts are like executive manager, engineer, officer, engineer, HR, like analyst. And if you are just interested in analyst, like obviously you can apply for data analyst and all, and you can apply for this post. Education, if you are a graduate in the sense like BSc, BCom, or BA, or anything, you can apply for this post. And then if you have engineering, BE, BTech, from any stream, you can apply. And post graduation students can also apply for this post. Experience, like freshers and experienced persons can apply. The salaries like 2000 to 5000, let me sorry 20,000 to 50,000 per month. That's quite a good amount of salary this time. Employee status is regular, and work location will be anywhere in India. Yeah, about the next job is Google recruitment. I think Google, it's a dream job for everyone. If you get into a Google, then your life will be settled. And to get into a Google, you should be having good communication skill, good technical knowledge, and good education background. Everything is required. But you can apply, since Google has just openly called for the position. You can apply, definitely apply for Google recruitment this time. And they have just called for software engineer. So if you are from a software background, that is like BTech from any circuit branch, or CS, or IT, definitely go and apply for this post, because the salary will be very very high. You can like, it's like very perfect job, or like best job out of the list we have. And the job location may be in Bangalore or Hyderabad, Telangana, or so these are the expected job positions there. So if you are looking for a IT job, and if you want to be a best company, then Google is for you. And next is actually Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is also like an information and technology consulting company. So this time they are asked like call for junior trainee associate. So this is for freshers. So if you are recent pass out, that is like 2020, 18, 19, or I think like 21, can also apply this for this post. So education, if you are BSc, BCom, or like I mean like engineering or anything, you can apply for this post. And this time also they have not called like shown the salary, but they have mentioned like best in the industry. And Tech Mahindra also provide very good salary, so definitely apply for this post. uh, thank you everyone for this video. So few more points which I want to discuss is like, since these are private jobs, unlike government jobs, there will not be any last date to apply. The link may close at any time because they just want to fill their vacancies. If they have 10 vacancy, and since that 10 vacancies are over, their link will get expired. Unlike our government jobs, like till 28th or like till last day, there is nothing such that. So try to apply as soon as possible, because like we know that like when you try to apply later, it will be showing that the link is invalid or something. So as of today, all the links are valid. We have just verified it. So please try to apply as soon as possible. All the links means the application link will be there in the description. You can go there and apply for the post. And for more queries or anything, please put your queries in the comment section. Thank you and have a great day.